Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I know it's been a few days since I put a video in this holy month. As you all know, if you have seen my previous video, you might definitely know, me and my friend Shahla, we have started a clothing venture, SHAAHS, and we have been really busy with that. By the grace of Almighty, it was a great start and we had been getting a lot of orders quickly, be it domestic or international. Now when I say domestic, our hub is in UAE. Anyway, it's not just the venture that has kept me busy. Even health wise, I am not able to stand for a long time taking videos of recipes or vlog for sometimes standing in the kitchen. But I feel so blessed to have a help in the kitchen that I don't have to worry much about what to prepare for iftar. Most of the work is done by the sister. Anyway, this video was taken when I had made something special for my family. It was just an experiment and it came out really delicious, which is why I'm putting it here. So let's start. I sauteed some onion along with some spring onion till it went soft and translucent. Then added boneless chicken that was cut into very tiny cubes. Cook till it changes the color. Add some ginger and garlic paste and cook till the raw smell goes. I added the chicken cube for extra flavor, which is completely optional. Now to this I added some cumin powder, paprika, pepper powder, some chopped green chilies and red chili flakes. Mix for a few minutes and then goes in tomato paste. Finally goes in spring onion leaves and coriander leaves. I had completely forgotten to add salt. Now this is done. This recipe is almost like Turkish Borek. I think I'm pronouncing it right. So you will need phyllo sheets. You will need enough space to work on this. I placed an aluminum sheet and placed one phyllo sheet on it. Spread some melted butter on the bottom of the tin that you'll be using for baking the dish. I used a spring form tin here. Spread some melted butter on the phyllo sheet as well. You can spread the chicken mix as shown, just a little bit, not too much. Sprinkle some mozzarella cheese over it. Now roll. The sheet is very delicate, high chance of it to tear, so be careful with it. But do not use two sheets for that reason, I would suggest. Place it in the tin as shown and then repeat. Now you can spread the chicken or do it in a line, it's up to you. Spread the remaining butter on top. You may do an egg wash to get a light brown shade on top. Sprinkle some white and black sesame seeds on top. Bake this in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for around 20 to 25 minutes or until it turns to a golden brown shade. And it's time to serve. I had cooked this right before breaking fast so that we could have it hot. Here Arman is the only one who enjoys eating fruits a lot while breaking the fast. He loves watermelon, which is really good for health as it has a lot of water content, which is very important to have during Ramadan. This dish might look messy, but it's truly delicious and also needs to be warm or hot while serving. I had already prepared some frozen snacks which I either fry or bake in the oven. So on each day I try to prepare one more snack along with it. Dinner is always late at night. Now, many of you had a lot of confusions on how to purchase from our website as there were a few glitches, but we have sorted that out. The purchasing is now smooth. So I think I'll give you a quick glimpse of how to buy in case you need a clear picture of it. So this is our website, SHAAHS. You need to type the address as shown on the screen. Here are our Eid arrivals, which we have placed on top for the time being so that you can check out easily if you're shopping for something for Eid. Below are our whole collections, which we have put in sections. Festive wear will include all those we keep separate as festive wear like Eid, Diwali and such. In suit sets, you get all the sets that include even the festive wear and other. Then we have kurtas alone. Here's our cotton collection, then coat sets and top. Now let me show you how to purchase. Here I'm going into suit sets. You can get all the collections here except for just the kurtas, coat sets and tops. Now if you want to buy something which has multiple colors, this one has black and purple. So here when you select, you need to first select the color and you see the stock availability. For the purple, presently medium, large and XL are available. Whereas when you select black, you can see only medium and large available. Now suppose I want purple and XL size. I will have to click the color purple first and then choose the size XL. Then add that to the cart. And you can see it has been added to the cart. Now I'm currently browsing from Oman, so the currency is showing in OMR, Oman Riyal. Now you will get to see the currency of the country from where you are browsing. And here's the shipping charge. Now in case you want to ship to a different country, you can pay from where you are but change the address over here. Just change the country to where you want the dress to be shipped and you can see the shipping charges to that country in the currency from where you will be paying. I have just selected New Zealand for example. Click update and you see the change in amount. Similarly to India, that's the amount. Now as I'm in Oman, I'm putting it back to Oman. Now let's add a product more to the cart that has no color variations. Select one. For this, here you can see it's just pink color. So select it. Here only larges are available in stock. Click large if you are looking for large size. Then add to the cart. Now you can see the shipping charge is still the same. I'm adding 2 more products to this to tell you some info regarding shipping. So now here I've added 4 products to the cart that I want to purchase. The shipping charge shows the same. Now this charge is for the weight of the products if it is 0.5 kg. Now if your selected products exceeds 0.5 kg, we will be sending you a link after payment to your email or WhatsApp to pay the remaining shipping charge. And it is mentioned here on top, so please read all the disclaimers regarding shipping, be it domestic or international, that we have mentioned. Do it before placing your order to avoid any confusions. Now add your billing details, and if you have any other shipping address, do add that in the right side box. Add your card details and click the below box. Proceed, and then we will do the rest. So that's all how to buy from our website. Thank you so much for all your feedback. Very happy to know that you love the dresses and the quality of it. We are working each day to improve our service and bring in the best quality products. So stay tuned for more videos. Take care everyone. Bye bye.